Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick. It's probably not gonna be that quick, but I wanted to talk to you guys about yeah, just my two thin spots in the front of my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you guys right now, and I'm gonna tell you how this happened. So kind of like right here, and then it's kind of like right there. I don't know if like you can see it that well because of the hairstyle that I am currently rocking, which is my mini twist. But when I just blow dried my hair last week, and I was pulling my hair back, and that's when I noticed it, and I was like, what the freak? What the freak? So I'm gonna tell you guys how this happened. Let me see. Come closer. Wig combs. Like Random Spoons and Martin. Wig combs. That's how I feel. Random Spoons. Anyways, I knew what could happen with my hairline, my hair, whatever, even my nape area, whatever you want to call it, if I continue to wear the wig combs. But I ignored it. I'm human. I thought it wasn't gonna happen to me, and so yeah, I just simply ignored it and kept on doing it. But let me tell you why I ignored it. I ignored it for the simple fact that I needed my wig secure. And I'm not just talking about like, oh no, I just really like it secure. No, my son will be marching too, and I needed my wig secure. I was very afraid of him snatching my wig in public. I never really thought to like invest in, you know, the elastic band. Now that I think about it, I was like, why didn't I just go to Walmart and go get that? When something bad happens, what do? We fix it. We don't sit there and cry about it. If you are wearing the wig combs and you're looking for security, you have to ease up right now, or the same thing is going to happen. If you think it's not gonna happen, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, because I thought the same thing. You're just busy and you just want to be decent and all that kind of stuff. You're not really thinking about, you know, the strain you're putting on your edges and, you know, your hairline and all that kind of stuff. You're just thinking about just looking good, being put together, and, you know, conquering the world like you normally do. I have a video already on how I have successfully regrown my edges, and that happened to me after I had my son in 2016. My edges fell out, my hair, this middle of my part, like this section right here, I had probably like an inch of hair. Don't know what happened. It just got thin and it fell out. Hormones, and there you go. That's such is life. And I took specific steps on growing my hair back out. So I will link that video in this video, somewhere, or in the description box, so that you'll have it. I'm really not changing anything, but to quickly go over those steps, I will of course be upping my water intake. I will also be massaging oils. I just found out about Curly Proverbs, her DIY Mega Growth hair growth oil that she has done and that she is now selling. I actually just found out about her. I'm super late. So if you do not have the funds, or if you don't feel like even going through those steps of making a DIY oil, good old Jamaican black castor oil will do the trick. That's exactly what I used last year to regrow my edges, and they grew just like that. My main thing that I will be doing as far as helping them grow and just styling and things like that is just staying away from gels. I repurchased the Curls control paste, the orange one, because I noticed that one does not excuse me, I noticed that one does not, it doesn't give me like a super hard hold, but it gives me a nice hold. Like I put it on my edges today, and I like it. Not even do that. I'm trying to think like if I even really want to incorporate that into my routine, or if I'm just gonna stick with using a leave-in conditioner, on my edges and wrapping it up in a scarf, and however they lay is how they lay. I don't want to make this too long. I just wanted to come and inform you guys that, you know, if you are wearing those wig combs, really be careful and don't do it all the time as well. I thought for a second, I was like, oh, maybe it's happening because of stress, and you know, and I was like, wait a minute, I've been pretty good lately. Like I'm kind of okay. And then it just like hit me, and I was like, god dang it, them dang wig combs, and they done took my hair out like I knew what happened. I do not want to fake, I don't want to fake it for y'all. I don't want to sit here and act like everything is always perfect. I'm a natural with the perfect hair, or if I got the perfect wigs, or I've got the perfect clothes and all that kind of stuff, and I feel like it's so much of that. No. My hair could be flourishing one year and be completely crap the next, and that's just gonna happen. Nothing is gonna remain absolutely perfect your entire life. We're supposed to do ups and downs and things like that, trial and error, so that we can learn from them. And it's okay that this happened to me. I'm not crying about it, because I'm here to come and tell you guys and inform you and hope that this saves someone else's edges, hairline, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, enough of me rambling. That's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, comments, concern, whatever you want to call it, put them down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Hello to my new subscribers. I see y'all out there. Anyways, I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.